Today we're going to be doing a conversion on a 23300 series pilot assembly. This pilot assembly originally comes as natural gas. Today we'll be converting it to propane. We're going to start by removing the pilot hood, gently pulling straight up, giving us access to the pilot orifice. Now we're going to take a 5/32 Allen wrench, insert it into the pilot orifice here. We're going to turn that clockwise until it stops turning. Now to tighten this down, we're just going to give it a nice little 1/8 inch turn so it's nice and tight. Now we're going to take our pilot hood, find the flat spot on the pilot hood, and line it up with the flat spot on the bracket. Once that's lined up, we should have the hood facing the thermocouple and the burner assembly. Now we're going to push straight down on the pilot hood to snap it into place. Now this pilot has been converted to propane and it's ready for install.